By virtue of the authority vested in me, I constitute the congregation of Durban University of Technology. The congregation is invited to sit.
Sanibonani, Molweni, Dumelang, and good morning. Welcome to the 2022 Spring Graduation Ceremony for the Faculties of Accounting and Informatics and the Faculty of Health Sciences at the Durban University of Technology. My name is Alan Khan. I'm the Senior Director of Corporate Affairs, and it's my privilege, pleasure, and honor to be a Program Director at this morning's graduation ceremony. I'd like to acknowledge in absentia our esteemed Chancellor, Ms. Nonkululeko Nyembezi, also in absentia our Vice Chancellor and Principal, Professor Tandwa Mthembu. I'd like to welcome our Acting Vice Chancellor, Professor Suren Singh, Deputy Vice Chancellors, the Registrar, Executive Deans, members of faculty, the Chairperson of the Institutional Forum, members of the IF, President of Convocation and members of Convex, the President of the SRC and members of the Student Representative Council. All protocol is observed. And a very special welcome to our graduates, their parents and guardians, family and friends, supporters and funders, and of course, to all of you, our honored guests, those assembled in the hall today and those who are watching the live stream online. I must also acknowledge my colleagues from the academic support and administration sectors of the Durban University of Technology who play such a substantial role to help our graduates achieve excellence and success. Ladies and gentlemen, you would notice on stage, on my right to your left, we have a sign language practitioner, and that's to assist those who may have any hearing impediments. We also have language interpretation services freely available. For those who picked up a headset at the entrance, please make sure the headset is switched on, and we offer language interpretation services, which is customary at all DUT graduation events from English to isiZulu. You don't need me to tell you that the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted our lives for more than 2 years. And one of those repercussions, sadly, was that we could not host in-person graduation ceremonies. During that time, we did successfully conduct online graduation events, but in all reality, it is fantastic to be back on stage in your presence to witness our graduates walk down the red carpet to receive their degrees, diplomas, and certificates. Despite the pandemic challenges last year, on a positive note, our university, the Durban University of Technology, was ranked in the top 5 of all South African universities by the Times Higher Education World University Rankings in London, rated in the top 500 of all universities around the world, and also one of the top 6 universities on the African continent. And yesterday, PMR Africa, which stands for Professional Market Research Africa, named DUT as the #1 higher education institution in KwaZulu-Natal and presented our university with the 2022 Leaders and Achievers Award. So please join me to give all our staff, students, and alumni a round of applause for helping our university achieve excellence. We are very grateful to all of our staff and students who continue to lead and succeed, who create and innovate, and who strive to live the values and principles as enshrined in DUT's Envision 2030 strategy. Now, I know some of you, especially those who are graduating for the first time, may be slightly nervous. One thing I do know for sure is that you probably have your mobile phones and you've taken photographs already. Now, I often say, especially at graduations, and some of you would know this, there is a saying, what happens in Vegas? Not anymore, though. What happens in Vegas stays on Facebook, TikTok, and you name the platforms, right? So I know you're going to be taking photographs. So all you have to do is just hashtag DUTGrad22, so we can just follow you. Now, based on past experiences, when the graduation celebrations kick in, there are some really interesting photographs that we get to see another side of you. So please share those pics, hashtag DUTGrad22. In a short while, I will also invite our graduates to line up and join us on stage to commence with the formal part of this morning's graduation ceremony. Now, let me just take our graduates and our guests through a quick refresher as to what will be happening on stage. My colleagues will invite our graduates to line up on your left to my right, and there will be a set of stairs or a ramp, and this is your entry point onto stage. Now, for those who will be receiving degrees and diplomas, please make sure you bring your hood with you. For those with high certificates, we just need you to be robed. Please leave your mortarboards, your headgear on your chair. There's no need for you to bring it up on stage, okay? Once you will be invited to come up onto stage, right next to the podium, there's a set of 2 footprints. That's for you to stand. Now, from where I'm standing, I can see you've invested a lot of time, money, and energy to look good. Hair's looking 100s, makeup is looking spot on, and fabulously turned out. So you've spent so much money looking good. Show the congregation how good you look, right? Also, the photographs that are about to happen on stage are going to last a lifetime. So when you are here, look at the photographer, smile, make sure there's nothing stuck in your teeth, keep your eyes wide open, because your grandkids are going to be looking at these photographs one day and you don't want to ruin it. Make sure you have your name card with you, okay? So when you come up on stage, your name card, you'll be verified that it is you on the graduation roll. You will arrive at the podium, you'll hand over your name card. Your name will be read, you'll be presented to the congregation. Take your photograph, look good, take your name card back, because you're going to need the name card to present later on when you receive your qualification in an envelope. You will walk down the red carpet. Those who are receiving degrees, our Acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Suren Singh, is seated on stage. In front of Professor Singh is a kneeler. Some people misconstrue this piece of equipment for stool. It's not there to sit and have a conversation with Professor Singh and find out how his day was and what was the traffic like this morning. If you're receiving a degree, you're going to kneel, preferably on one knee. You will present yourself because it's an important part of you being conferred with your degree. The acting Vice-Chancellor will cap you to confer your degree. It's a formal part of a graduation ceremony for those receiving degrees. We also have another camera at that point, so make sure you're still looking your best. Once you're capped, you can rise and you'll walk down to the next point, another set of footprints to help you position yourselves. You hand your hood over to the registrar. You will turn around, face the photographer, and then the registrar or the deputy registrar or the faculty officer will then hood you. That photograph can be proudly displayed either on your wall, on a shelf somewhere, or hand over to your parents or grandparents if you're blessed to still have them in your lives. Then walk down safely down the stairs. Now, especially for those ladies who are brave enough to wear high heel shoes, we have handrails on either side of the staircase, both up and down, and we have gentlemen ushers just to assist. Please don't be embarrassed to ask for help, because those who are brave enough, we'd hate for you to have an accident on stage on your big moment. Once you exit the stage, you will walk to the back of the auditorium, and remember to make sure to get back to your seats, put your mortarboards on, and then enjoy the rest of the ceremony. Now, one humble request from the entire university community. This is an important moment for every single graduate and their loved ones who are present. We understand that it is a celebration. It is a moment of deep joy and excitement. But the reality is that every single graduate deserves to have their name read and heard by the congregation. So whilst you are excited, whilst you want to celebrate, please think about the next graduate who will be following so that they also have the privilege of having their friends and family hear their name when they're called out. So as much as you want to celebrate and enjoy, please let's be considerate of all the graduates and all of our guests. We will greatly appreciate your support in this regard. Vice-Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, during the July celebratory graduation ceremonies, we had a total of 9,081 graduates from 35 graduation sessions. Over the course of the spring graduation season, which starts this morning, we will have 1,132 graduates, thereby taking our total for 2022 to a record-breaking 10,213 graduates from the Durban University of Technology. That is a remarkable figure. Congratulations to all of our graduates and the excellence that they've achieved. Also, all of our graduates will now become members of the DUT alumni, and I hope that you will become active members of the alumni body, engage with our advancement and alumni relations team. Ladies and gentlemen, without much further ado, I think it's time for us to commence with the formal part of this morning's graduation ceremony. And I would now like to invite the Executive Dean, and we have two Executive Deans in our presence today because we have two faculties. But I will like to call up the Executive Dean in the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, Professor Olugbara, to commence with the graduation ceremony. Prof. Olu? Professor Nkunu, are you going to be joining us instead? Okay. Professor Nkunu, the Executive Dean in the Faculty of Health Sciences.
Thank you so much. Vice Chancellor, I have the honor to request you to confer the degree and award diplomas and certificates on the graduates and diplomandi from the Faculty of Health Sciences who will be presented to you, and in absentia to those whose names appear on the program.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I confer degrees and award diplomas and certificates.
Vice Chancellor, for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, I present in the Faculty of Health Sciences, I present Musa Gumede, supervised by Professor T.I. Nzimakwe and Professor M.N. Sibia. I will invite Professor Nzimakwe to read the summary.
Thank you, Executive Dean. The title of the thesis is Development of a Policy Framework for the Establishment of Physical Exercise Programs in Reducing Non-Communicable Diseases in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. The summary, the aim of the study was to develop a policy framework for physical activity in adult communities in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. The study followed an exploratory sequential mixed methods approach that begins with a qualitative phase where experts, trainers, and government officials were interviewed on their observations and role in supporting the physical exercise programs. This was followed by the quantitative phase that involved conducting a survey by questionnaire on participants in physical exercise programs. The results indicated that 84% of the respondents participated in physical exercise programs or sport while at school. A proportion of 93% of participants did not suffer from chronic heart disease or hypertension, and 60% were not offered health checkups by facilities. Early initiation of physical education in schools contributed to long-term health benefits, like a lower number of participants with non-communicable diseases such as obesity and chronic heart diseases. Lower incidence of non-communicable diseases were found in physically active individuals, and the health benefits are not dependent on intensity of exercise, but on consistent exercise, whether mild, moderate, or vigorous. The study identified a gap in urban-rural infrastructure availability and usage. The study results are important and contribute to the introduction of physical exercise programs in schools as part of health promotion, to lobby for development of community recreational facilities and training facilities in rural and urban areas. The developed policy framework will be published in internationally recognized high-impact factor journals.
I present to you Musa Gumede. Vice-Chancellor for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in the Faculty of Health Sciences in Nursing, I present to you Amile Olwetu Mavundla, supervised by Professor T. Mkuchini and co-supervised by Professor T.S.P. Ngongo. I will call Professor Ngongo to read the summary.
Thank you. Title of the thesis: A framework supporting the mother-daughter relationship in the adoption of positive sexual health behaviors. A study of adolescent girls in the eThekwini district, KwaZulu-Natal. Summary: risk reduction and the management of sexually related illnesses among adolescents remains one of the most intractable global challenges facing health and social health care providers. In South Africa, substantial investment has been directed towards a promotion of programs and intervention to facilitate the adoption of health promoting sexual behaviors in adolescents. Even though resulting intervention have made notable positive impact in reducing teenage pregnancy and HIV infections rate, the residual prevalence remains unacceptably high. Using a qualitative heterophenomenological design, the study explored the influence of the mother-daughter relationship in the adoption of health-promoting sexual behaviors among adolescent girls in the eThekwini district, KwaZulu-Natal. Individual interviews, focus group discussions were conducted with participants from 3 data collection sites. Findings revealed that the mother-daughter relationship potential in promoting the adoption of health-promoting sexual behaviors was typically not maximized because of the noteworthy inter, and extraneous barriers that existed within the mother and the daughter interactions. The study proposes that the Mavunda Sexual Health Diagnostic Framework, which is abbreviated as MASHT framework, as an empirical tool for strengthening the mother-daughter relationship towards more adaptive sexual health behaviors in the adolescents. When appropriated correctly, the framework is hoped to enable 1, the identification of problematic areas in adolescent sexual health, and 2, it is hoped to reduce the barriers to health promotion, and finally, it also offers a range of corrective interventions. Thank you.
I present to you Amile Olwetu Mavundla. For the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in the Health Sciences, I present to you Nomhle Mvunelo, supervised by Professor F. Hafeji and Dr. Y. Thunder. I will call upon Professor Hafeji to read the summary first.
Title of the study, Evaluating the Effectiveness of Virtual Body Support to Improve Treatment Adherence for Patients Suffering from Schizophrenia in KwaZulu-Natal, a Model of Care. The summary, schizophrenia is a serious psychiatric disorder characterized by impaired communication and loss of contact with reality. Antipsychotic medications are the first line of treatment for this disorder. However, adherence to treatment remains a challenge in the management of these patients. This study developed an intervention using a virtual body system to improve adherence to medication amongst these patients. Daily text messages were sent to participants in an attempt to improve compliance. Using a mixed methods approach where both quantitative and qualitative data were obtained, the schizophrenic patients were recruited for the study. Implementation of the treatment body support improved adherence to antipsychotic medication from 61% prior to intervention to 86% after the intervention. Prior to intervention, participants reported non-adherence due to long duration of treatment, medication side effects, and often not understanding the instructions regarding the taking of medications. The virtual treatment body support had a positive impact in improving adherence. The consistent daily reminders emphasized the significance of taking medication. It helped to establish a routine since the patient often experienced cognitive impairments such as memory loss. Participants applauded the benefits of the service and felt that all schizophrenic patients would benefit from such daily reminders. The treatment buddy program also helped to resolve other schizophrenia-related problems such as insomnia, loneliness, lack of motivation, and suicidal tendencies. Healthcare workers also applauded this service. The study concluded that implementation of the treatment buddies can benefit patients, communities, and the healthcare system at large. Thank you.
I present to you Nomhle Mvunelo. I now call upon the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics. Thank you.
Where's your sleep? Vice Chancellor, I have the honor to request you to confer degrees and award diplomas and certificates on the Graduate D and Diploma D from the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, who will be presented to you and essential to those whose name appear on the program. Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, degree of Master of Accounting. Vice Chancellor, for the degree of Master of Accounting, I present Abana Sharanam Sharma. Title of dissertation, A Financial Simulation for Investment Appraiser in Solar Panels at Fast Food Chains, a case study of McDonald's, South Africa. Supervisor, Dr. F. Marimutu. Co-supervisor, Dr. H. Mama. Degree of Master of Accounting, Fitzgerald Clifton. Title of dissertation, The Impact of Standard Cost as a Cost Control Title of dissertation, The Application of Real Options as an Enhancement to the Net Present Value Techniques, a case of financial services sector. Supervisor, Dr. Marimutu. Degree of Masters of Accounting, Jali Nkosinati Prince. Title of dissertation, The Influence of Financial Literacy and Financial Technology on the Financial Behavior of High School Teachers in KwaZulu-Natal. Supervisor, Dr. C.J. Nide. Co-supervisor, Professor L.J. Steinbank. Degree of Master of Accounting, Untuli, Sizwe, Perfect Ayanda. Title of dissertation, An exploration of the taxability of income derived from, Title of dissertation, Investigating the effects of financial management practices on financial performance of a state-owned enterprise in Johannesburg. Supervisor, Dr. Z.W. Nzuza. This one? Yes, this one. Degree of Master of Accounting, Tango, Tobelani, Sabelo. Title of dissertation, The Adoption of Target Costing as a Contemporary Management Accounting Technique in Public Higher Education Institution, a case study of Durban University of Technology. Supervisor, Dr. F. Marimutu. Co-supervisor, Dr. Z.W. Nzuza. Okay. This one. This one. Okay. Degree of Master of Management Sciences in Administration and Information Communication. Untuli Kanyisile Nelisiwe. Title of dissertation is Student-Centered Teaching and Learning being successfully implemented at a learning University of Technology, a case study of 2 departments. Supervisor, Dr. M. Ngibe. Co-supervisor, Dr. J. Skinner. Degree of Master of Management Sciences in Administration and Information Communication. Nzama Luazi. Title of dissertation, Role of Buyer/Supplier Relationship on Organizational Performance of Small, Medium, and Micro Enterprise Retailers in Durban. Supervisor, Professor O. Olugara, and co-supervisor, Dr. S.P. Moyane. I now call upon the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Earth Sciences. Thank you.
Vice-Chancellor, for the degree of Master of Health Sciences, I present Lynette Chetty. The title of the dissertation is Students' Experiences on Pre-Exposure Prophylaxis at University of Technology in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, supervised by Prof. Hafeji, co-supervised by Dr. S. Guman. Lynette Chetty. For the Master's degree of Health Sciences, I present Elizabeth Laura Naidu. The title of the dissertation, Assessing Infection Control Knowledge and Compliance in Theatre at Private Hospital in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, supervised by Prof. J.K. Adam and co-supervised by Dr. M.K. O'Dion. Okay. For the Master of Health Sciences in Emergency Medical Care, Robin Lee Stander. The title of the dissertation, A Prospective Assessment of Paramedic Students' Physiological Stress During Clinical Simulations, supervised by Dr. S. Sobua, co-supervised by Professor Sisi Jinabai. Robin Lee Stander. For the Master of Health Sciences in Environmental Health, I present Savannah Hobdio, and the title of the dissertation, Occupational Exposure to Flour Dust and the Associated Respiratory Outcomes Amongst Workers at a Selected Flour Mill in KwaZulu-Natal, supervised by Dr. S. Guman. don't see this one. I'm so sorry, I'm still looking for this one. Medical laboratory. Okay, sorry. For the Master of Health Sciences in Medical Laboratory Science, I present Yohali Emilini Nisi. The title of the dissertation is The Impact of Cryptococcal Antigenemia Screening Among Patients Attending in King Dinuzulu Hospital, supervised by Dr. J.N. Bata and co-supervised by Dr. A.J. Niehaus. Yohali, congratulations. And for a degree Master of Health Sciences in Nursing, I present Nishani Hirji, and the title, okay, it's written, sorry, it's Medical Laboratory again, I'm sorry. This is Nishani Hirji, and the title of the dissertation is Evaluation of the Performance of Analytical Quality Indicators of the Quality Management System in a Medical Establishment, supervised by Dr. B. Tim Kize and co-supervised by Dr. P. Pillay. Congratulations. For Master of Health Sciences in Nursing, I present Mthokozisi Zulu. The title of the study is Experiences of Nurses Regarding the Implementation of an Ideal Clinic Project in eThekwini District, KwaZulu-Natal, supervised by Professor T.S.P. Ngongo. Well done. Thank you. For the degree Master of Health Sciences in Radiography, I present Rachel Budu. The title of the dissertation is Knowledge, Clinical Competencies, and Medical Legal Responsibilities Required by Diagnostic Radiographers for the Interpretation of Radiographs, supervised by Dr. P.B. Nkosi and co-supervised by Dr. T.E. Koza. Congratulations. For the degree of Master of Health Sciences in Chiropractic, I present Imai Prinsloo. The title of the dissertation, An Epidemiological Investigation into Low Back Pain in School Teachers within the Greater Tzaneen Municipality in Limpopo, South Africa, supervised by Dr. A. Docrat and co-supervised by Dr. C.K. Prince. Congratulations. For the degree of Master of Technology in Chiropractic, I present Renew Anthony. The title of the dissertation, Normal Craniovertebral Angle Range in Asymptomatic Black South African Females, a Pilot Study, supervised by Dr. D. Varatharajulu and co-supervised by Dr. Y. Venketsamy. Congratulations. Master of Technology in, Master of Health Sciences in Chiropractic, I present Karen Ashley Bosi. The title of the dissertation, The Experience of First-Time Registered Chiropractic Students at a South African University of Technology regarding the transition from high school to university, supervised by Dr. D. Varathara Julu and congratulations. You are here, Nevinia. Okay, Naransami. I present Nevinia Naransami for the degree of Master of Health Sciences in Chiropractic. The title of the dissertation, Upper Body Musculoskeletal Pain Associated with Remote Working of Academics at the Durban University of Technology during the COVID-19 pandemic, supervised by Dr. J.D. Pillay and co-supervised by Dr. N. Govender. Congratulations. I present Ashalya Pethraj for the Master of Health Sciences in Chiropractic. The title of the dissertation, The Physical and Psychosocial Effects of Migraines on Female Adults and Their Experience of Chiropractic Treatment in Pain Management, supervised by Dr. R. Bagwan. Congratulations. For the Master of Health Sciences, Chiropractic, I present Lee Seals. The title of the dissertation is An Exploration into the Knowledge, Understanding, and Management of the Female Athlete Triad and the Triad Risk Factors among the elite swimmers in KwaZulu-Natal, supervised by Dr. A. Abdul Rashid. Congratulations. For Master's degree in Health Sciences in Chiropractic, I present Rochelle van Eck. The title of the dissertation, The Epidemiology of Musculoskeletal Injuries in Mountain Bikers in the eThekwini Municipality, supervised by Dr. D. Varathara Julu. Congratulations. Which one? Louis or Rosen? Okay. Master of Health Sciences in Chiropractic, I present Rosen Louise Williamson. Title of the dissertation, Factors Influencing the Utilization of the Biopsychosocial Model by Chiropractors in the eThekwini Municipality, supervised by Dr. L. O'Connor. Done. For the degree Master's degree, Master of Health Sciences in Homeopathy, I present Kulu Kwezi Kwazi Gama. The title of the dissertation, Exploring the Knowledge, Attitudes, and Perceptions of Homeopathy and the Ukuba Nesibindi Homeopathic Community Center in the Warwick Junction community, supervised by Dr. C.M. Hall and Dr. V.N.B. Ngobese. Congratulations. Master of Health Sciences in Homeopath, I present Nadia Kaneza. The title of the dissertation, a reportorial analysis of the homeopathic remedies indicated in the PICA in pregnancy. Supervised by Dr. M. Maharaj. Congratulations. Master of Health Sciences in Master of Technology in Homeopath, I present Viveka Pillai. The title of the dissertation, a comparative investigation between homeopathic and traditional African treatment of male sexual dysfunction, supervised by Dr. M. Maharaj. Congratulations. Master of Technology in Homeopath, I present Oriel Rose Rubin. The title of the dissertation is an exploration into the study of the corresponding materia medica regarding trauma of neglect in canines, supervised by Dr. C.M. Hall. Congratulations. I now call upon the Executive Dean in the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, Professor Olu Olugbara.
Faculty of Accounting and Informatics. I'm Dr. Lulu Jali from the Auditing and Taxation. Postgraduate Diploma in Business and Information Management. Mbata sinethemba siphiwe kuhle. Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, Postgraduate Diploma in Taxation, Sithole Olo Peaceman. Postgraduate Diploma in Business and Information Management, Kalijana Nandipha. Faculty of Accounting and Informatics is presenting the degree of Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, Galo Asipe. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, Manana Pilani. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, Mthembu Sindiswa. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communications Technology, Mtukushe Bunye. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communications Technology, Naidu Tamana. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communications Technology, Ndlela Sabelo. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communications Technology, Ncamu Thandeka. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communications Technology, Jangase Thembi. Degree of Bachelor of Information and Communications Technology, Nxumalo Ntuthuko. Degree of Bachelor Information and Communications Technology, Zondi Lungisa. Faculty of Health Sciences, Degree of Bachelor of Child and Youth Care, Ngubeni Simpiwe. Health Sciences. Okay.
Hello. Faculty of Health Sciences, the degree of Bachelor of Health Sciences in Diagnostic Radiography, Hamza Fakir. The degree of Bachelor of Health Sciences in Diagnostic Radiography, Isaac Menikam. Cebisile Thobeka Mavundla. Osman Ferosha. Nontobeko Valencia Ngubane. The degree of Bachelor of Health Sciences in Environmental Health, Lihle Moonlight Bengu. Ntuthuko Senzokuhle Dlangisa. Nomfundo Princess Mncube. Snethemba Angel Mhlongo. Nicole Mudali. Lindelwa Ntombenhle Biyakha Nkosi. Yamgelwa Sindiswa Sikhosana. Bachelor of Health Sciences in Medical Laboratory Science, Qalisile Nontobeko Mdluli. Degree of Bachelor of Health Sciences in Medical Orthodontics and Prosthetics, Tinel Reddy. Degree of Bachelor of Health Sciences in Nursing, Jackie Refilwe Matseka. Tembisa Favorites Mazibuko. Mandisa Rejoice Mbuto. Oslin Karabo Ndlovu. Thakasile Patience Nzuzo. Nkanyiso Asanda Ngongo. Cebisile Sinaye Zondi.
The Faculty of Accounting and Informatics is presenting the Advanced Diploma in Accounting, Mpele Zanele. Advanced Diploma in Information and Communication Technology, Dlamini Zamoguhle. Advanced Diploma in Information and Communication Technology, Zulu Samkelisiwe.
God did!
Advanced Diploma in Management Accounting, Msweli Lungisani. Advanced Diploma in Taxation, Kwabe Lindelani. Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, degree of Bachelor of Technology in Cost and Management Accounting, Ngumalo Ntlantla. Diploma in Accounting, Cele Mbuso. Chonco Kwanele. Dlamini Ketukuthula. Dladla Thabisile. Dlamini Nombulelo. Dumisa Zokwanda. Mchunu Nhlanzeko. Mkhize Samukelo. Mtungwana Njabulo. Ndlovu Siphephelo. Ngobo Sinethemba. Phoswa Aviwe. Shawe Noncedo. Sibanyoni Zinhle. Sibiya Nokulunga. Sithole Zamajobe. Thabethe Xolisani. Twala Amanda. Olo Nomvuselelo.
Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, Diploma in Business and Information Management, Dlamini Mfundo Sihle. Diploma in Business and Information Management. Thank you. Thank you. Kumede Senzo Sake. Nzobe Nothando. Ngobo Siphiliselwe Fortunate. Ngiba Nhlakanipho. Ngubo Thulisani. Sithole fanele sibonge lethu kuthula. Diploma in Information and Communications Technology in Applications Development. Cele Asande. Tabula Sikelela.
My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking for the driver of a vehicle HFF 563EC. They have left a young child in the car, and we've just been notified, and I think the law enforcement authorities would like to see the driver at the vehicle urgently. The person's name is Lulama. I stand to be corrected, but HFF 563EC. They've locked the car and left a child in it, which is certainly something that we do not encourage. So could that driver urgently go to the car? Thank you. That's HFF 563EC. Thank you.
Diploma in Information and Communications Technology in Applications Development. Dlamini Phiwa Inkosi Sakhiseni. Madlala Xolani. Matabane Mduduzi. Mbambo Sinenhlanhla. Mbogazi Freedom. Sani Kwetemba. Mweli Tabiso. Duzela Soletu. Skakane Vuyani. Zikhali Siphiwe. Zwane Spamandla. Diploma in Information and Communications Technology in Business Applications, Yaga Mielani. Diploma in Internal Auditing, Khoza Promise Sfiso. Mkhize Nokuphila. Mkhwanazi Ayanda. Ndlovu Bafikile. Rajhot Shulka. Shabangu Andiswa. Diploma in Library and Information Studies, Langa Andile. Mbele Tembelihle. Ntombeni Vanessa. National Diploma in Accounting, Bengu Ntokozo.
Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, National Diploma in Accounting, Durban Sept. Gina Nondumiso Nosihle. Kavenda Vindan Ashay. Kumede Letubuhle Precious. Mabusela Tessa Entle. Makhathini Nonhlanhla Nombuso. Mbuyazi Lungani Siyabonga. Mdluli Lindinkosi Kwandokuhle.
Okay.
Mkhize Njabulo Emmanuel. Thank you. Thank you. Mkhwanazi Tobani Walter. Mdingati Nduduzo. Mvelase Sanele. Nxele Bongiwe. Nkosi Thembelihle Barbara. Nyawo Lungani Sianda. Thank you, thank you. Rolls Leo Antonio Nick. Sikwela Sipesihle. Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, National Diploma in Cost Accounting, in Cost Management Accounting. Pengu Oluhle Happy Boy. Diploma in Cost Accounting, in Cost Management Accounting. Tingo Lukhona. Dlamini Spindile Zandile. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hlatshwayo Snenhlanhla Lucretia. Thank you very much. Hlongwa Malibongwe. Mahlatsi Thabiseng. Mbanjwa Snethemba. Mhlongo Mandisa Mbalenhle. Mnguni Sipesihle. Mthembu Lindiwe. Ndlovu Sibulele Felicity. Pete Mvuzo. Saziwa Twenga. Sithole Anele. Tembe Siphelele. Zulu Sibongile njengobani. Oh, thank you. I am now present National Diploma in Information Technology. Dineo Grace Rakuane. National Diploma in Internal Auditing. Kumede Felicity Amahle. Kumede Nomfundo Nontobeko. National Diploma in Taxation. Tele Annalisa Sphiwo Sami. Makhathini Nosipho Nokwazi. Jobonga, Aluyolo, Zingisa, Nolizwi.
We've got 2 masters, 1 degree and a diploma.
I now present degree of Master of Management Sciences in Administration and Information. Ntombela Mnoto Slam. Degree of Master of Management Sciences in Library and Information Science. Kumalo Amahle. Degree of Bachelor of Health Sciences in Environmental Health, Mdlolo Ayanda. Diploma in Business and Information Management, Dlamini Nunkanyise Zamogu.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give all of our graduates a round of applause. Congratulations. Thank you for your attention, thank you for your applause, and thank you for staying. It's important that even though we had graduates who are seated in the first row get your attention and applause, it's important that every single graduate, even those seated further back, received your attention and applause. So thank you for respecting the graduation ceremony, and thank you for recognizing the achievement of all of our graduates. So graduates, only you know the struggle and sacrifice that went into achieving this success. The amount of time and energy that you had to invest into your studies. The early mornings, and you remember the late nights? The challenges of a pandemic, and the disruptions of load shedding. You remember saying no to your friends who wanted to party and you said, no, not me. I'd rather spend hours in the library with my books. What commitment and dedication. And you often thought that you were alone through this entire thing. But in reality, umuntu, ngamuntu, ngabantu. A person is a person because of people. So the bottom line is you may have felt alone at times, but you were never truly alone. And some of those people who supported you are here today. So graduates, I'm going to ask you to help me by standing up and turning to your right and applauding your family, your friends, and those who are here. And let's say thank you to them for giving you the support, love, and encouragement that's allowed you to reach us. So let's give our family and friends a big round of applause. Thank you, graduates. And then to face the front of the stage, your teaching staff are here. We have 2 faculties. Let's give the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, and the Faculty of Health Sciences a round of applause to say thank you. And finally, graduates, I hope you're going to make the biggest round of applause for yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduating class, make some noise! Thank you, graduates. You may be seated. Acting Vice-Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, we have, as I mentioned, two executive deans with us today because there are two faculties. So we have two congratulatory messages in closing before we then sing the national anthem, and I'll take you through the protocol attached to the national anthem, and then the Acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Suren Singh, will officially dissolve the congregation. So in the build-up to that, I'd now like to welcome back to the podium the Executive Dean from the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics, Professor Olugbara, to deliver his congratulatory remarks. Prof.
Vice-Chancellor, members of Council here present, faculty staff, graduates, and parents, good morning, everyone. It is my pleasure to deliver the congratulatory message and vote of thanks at this joyful event. This celebration marks a milepost in the lives of these beautiful and handsome graduates. Warmest congratulations on your well-deserved academic success, which is an important step in a journey of several miles. Please uphold the principles and values of the university wherever you go. They are meet unto you. A huge thanks to academic and administrative staff of the Faculty of Accounting and Informatics and Faculty of Health Sciences. I thank you for showcasing our two faculties with excellent graduates we see today. Thank you to parents, sponsors, and guidance for assisting our graduates so they can graduate today. Thank you to the university's support units for coordinating the graduation ceremonies at the Durban Exhibition Centre. Alan, I think I also have to thank you very much for the excellent job you have done. Thank you very much. I wish you well and look forward to you joining the University Alumni Society and pursuing postgraduate studies. Enjoy the day and be safe till we meet again. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much for those closing remarks, Professor Olugbara. Ladies and gentlemen, the Executive Dean in the Faculty of Health Sciences, Professor Mkunu, will now deliver her congratulatory remarks. Prof.
Thank you. Honorable Chancellor, Ms. Nonkululeko Nyembezi, in her absentia, members of the Council who are here today, Vice-Chancellor, Deputy Vice-Chancellors, Executive Deans, Deputy Deans, colleagues in both faculties of Accounting and Informatics and Health Sciences, our graduates today, parents, siblings, ladies and gentlemen, Sanbonani. It is my pleasure to deliver this congratulatory message and vote of thanks this morning. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the class of 2021 for their phenomenal achievement. It is indeed great to have this spring graduation ceremony so soon after we held our graduation in July. We are still in that celebratory mood. There is nothing as satisfying to us as seeing our students and parents happy. We haven't had a physical graduation for 2 years due to the pandemic, so we are therefore greatly honored and privileged that you could come in numbers to share this memorable moment with all of us today. A huge thank you goes out to the staff, both academic and admin in both faculties. We thank you for your presence and for showcasing our faculties with the graduates that we have today. To the parents, guardians, family members, sponsors, and each and every one of you who has played a role in supporting the graduates during their studies, thank you so much. Siyabonga ukuthi nisithembe nithumele abantwana benu kulesi sikhungo iDurban University of Technology. Thina asilutho ngaphandle kwenu, ningadinwa nangomuso. Much appreciation goes to the lecturers, mentors, research supervisors for their assistance in ensuring that you complete your qualifications, hence the graduation today. A special thank you to the university support departments in both Durban and Midlands campuses. Much appreciation goes to the staff and management of the Durban Exhibition Centre. We thank you for coordinating this graduation ceremony in this beautiful venue of yours. We know that putting together an event like this is not an easy task, but you managed to do it in such a short space of time. Siyabonga kakhulu, you are the best. To our graduates, we thank you for choosing DUT as your university of choice. We hope that the number of years that you have spent with us at DUT has changed your lives for the better. To those of you who are graduating with their undergraduate degrees, we hope to see you soon when you are back to do your postgraduate degrees. I suppose the red gowns here are really a motivation to you to come back. Coincidentally, you are graduating today, and it's almost the last day of our Heritage Month. So it's so good to hear ukikiza and abantu bedansa, people celebrating in so many ways. We really appreciate that because at DUT we celebrate diversity. Please go out there and celebrate your heritage and never forget who you are and where you come from. We rely on you because we are old now, so the young people will take over after us. So please don't let us down. In closing, the question you should be asking yourself today is, what difference will you be bringing to your profession, your chosen profession? What do you want to be remembered for? When you go out to the world, be the change that we all want to see. Be the breath of fresh air, and please fly the DUT flag high up wherever you are. Once again, congratulations, be safe, nihambe kahle, go well, .sins, and enjoy the rest of your day. Siyabonga.
Thank you for those lovely words, Professor Mkunu. The Executive Dean in the Faculty of Health Sciences is correct. South Africa needs our graduates. We need more masters and doctorates in our country. If anyone should be a guiding light this morning, Dr. Gumede was already a doctor and he qualified and received his second doctorate today, so I think we're going to be calling him Dr. Going forward. But the red gowns certainly are a motivation, so to all of our graduates, we look forward to welcoming you back. Those with masters to complete their PhDs or DPhils, and those with undergraduate degrees to study further, because your contribution is required and it will be significant for the future of our country. Before we sing the national anthem, I just need to notify all of our graduates, you would have seen this in the program, the Centre for Quality Promotion and Assurance at DUT is conducting a survey for graduates, and it's an important survey because we get to learn from you with the results of the survey. It's very simple this year. All you need to do is either scan the QR code, which is in the program, and answer the very quick survey. And for our master's and doctoral graduates, please remember you need to click and complete the postgraduate survey. Or if you don't have a mobile phone with you that can read QR codes, we will be sending out an SMS. You can just click on that link on the SMS and complete the graduate survey. We'd be most grateful for that. Ladies and gentlemen, in the next minutes, I will invite the congregation to stand to sing the national anthem. There is a protocol attached to the national anthem in terms of the act, and let me just take you through that. If I could ask all the men, all the gentlemen to please remove their headgear. Ladies, you can keep your headgear on. Protocol dictates that ladies can retain their hats and caps and headgear. Gentlemen, if you could please remove them at the stage. We then all need to be standing for the singing of the national anthem. Please feel free to sing along with the rest of the congregation. At the end of the national anthem, please remain standing. Professor Singh will then officially dissolve this morning's congregation. At that point, the Vice-Chancellor will lead the stage procession off stage. We'll exit down the center aisle and move out to the robing room, and then we invite our graduates to leave the auditorium and, of course, our guests. Once again, from all of us at the Durban University of Technology, congratulations to all of our graduates. Congratulations as well to the family, friends, sponsors, and supporters of our graduates. Thank you for choosing the Durban University of Technology. Go out and make yourselves proud, your family proud, our university proud, our province proud, and our country proud. South Africa needs you to succeed. Without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I will now invite the congregation to be upstanding for the singing of the national anthem of the Republic of South Africa. May God bless you, and may God bless South Africa. Thank you.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I dissolve this congregation of the Durban University of Technology.